Welcome to the channel, and if you're looking for camper vans and dogs, you've come to the right place. I want to show you the best of UK camping, possibly the worst as well. And I want to show you what it's like living in a small van on holiday, not full time, with two crazy spaniels. As an introduction to the channel, I hope you join me on a quick tour of my van. Welcome to Nessa. She's originally a Danbury Conversion. I bought her in 2015, but since then she's had loads of modifications. I really love the rugged swamper look, but to be fair, these tyres have rescued me from the Glastonbury mud and out of the snow in the Lake District when no one else could get off the site. I think they've been a great addition. And this was how she looked on the day that I first got her. There's a Thetford sink with a small onboard water tank. No hot water here though. Who needs a hot shower when you're in a field anyway? We've got a double hob and a grill, all very standard, although I will say the grill does a fantastic job of cooking half a slice of toast. Little extendable workspace, it's really handy, and it has a small Waco fridge, perfect for keeping your beer in, and cheese. The sofa converts into the bed, standard rock and roll, and it's just about big enough for two people. Unfortunately, an additional two spaniels makes things a bit tight. And here it is in action. Roof up, seat turned round, hob on and breakfast frying, and all the associated mess you get from campervanning. So thanks for joining me on the tour of the van. We're about ready to get packed up, get all our clothes in the van, get the dogs in the van, hit the road, and we're off this time to Somerset, or more accurately, Garden End Farm near Wells, and hopefully sample some cider. See ya!